Hi, today in this video, I want to show you how do you use a customized background to organize your data in a dashboard using Power BI. So let's say you already have a data layout and visualization that you wanted layout on your dashboard. You can create shapes, you can create background or borders for these visualizations. However, there's another way that you can actually organize your visualizations that is more optimized for the performance. And that's why I'm going to show you. I took the background of this off so that I can show you how you create it, customize it, and using PowerPoint, and then put it back in here. So first, with the visuals that you are already laid out, just about how you want it, you might adjust it a little bit. Take a screenshot of this page. All right. And then go to PowerPoint, created a new slide. I usually like to delete these default text boxes. Paste that page there. Now, we want to create a layout and boxes, however you like to lay it out, using PowerPoint. Let's go to um, Insert, Shape. Let's say you want a rectangle. Let's say I want two sections for this, okay? Actually, I want to separate this into 4 columns. All right, I insert a shape and inserted a shape. Now, I do not want it to be blue, and then this is to the color not that what I want. Right click, select Format Shape. You can change the transparency, and you can just simply change the blue color to not blue. Right. And I like to add a little bit of 3D effect to it. Let me see. Yeah, that's good enough. All right, that's simple. Okay. Then, because you copied out your visualization here, you know approximately how big each column is supposed to be. You can um, copy the shape or duplicate the shape and drag it over. Duplicate again. And again, I need 4 columns. All right. So that's just one way you can create an organized background using PowerPoint. You can insert additional shape. Let's say I want to use this divider that I created from before. This is just um, a line, and I turn down the transparency and copy and paste over here. How you want to design it is really up to you. I don't want it to be the front, send to the back. Bring to the front a little bit. No. Send to the back, bring forward. I guess just have to stay in the back. Testing's out, nothing's gonna break. All right, now I kind of have what I want, and I have to delete my original picture. Let me see. Make sure my my dashboard is selected. Okay, this is the outline and the way I want my dashboard to be organized. I can adjust it a little bit, make sure all the columns are spaced evenly so it looks more professional looking. And here's another trick you got to pay attention. Make sure you're on this slide and select all, Control A, right click, save as picture. Make sure the PNG is selected. Okay. And go to where you want to save. I just want to put it in the desktop to show you. So this is called background. Save it. All right. Now you're done with PowerPoint. Go back to your dashboard. So you're ready to insert this new dress or new clothes that you created for your dashboard. Go to page background. Go to paintbrush, page background. Make sure the color is white because when we select the PNG and we have our images as semi-transparent, whatever colors in the original background here will kind of shine through. If you want to have additional effect and that's how you want it, you can select the colors that you like. But in this case, I don't really want it, so I just make sure it's white and then select my file background, opened. Now, it will not look right to begin with. The setting that you have to make sure it looks right is image fit, select fit, and this transparency you can change it, but usually I have it 0. Okay, so there you have it. This is now your data dashboard looks more organized, okay, more section off, and user know how to read it. You know, they don't read, their eye don't jump all over the place. They know they're supposed to, there's a left side and there's a right side, and your data and your visuals are organized in a column. Okay, if you want it to be, you know, this is too much data for me to put in one place usually, but if that's what your business people like it, uh, there you have it. If you have any questions, um, email me at pixon18@gmail.com or um, check out my blog and contact me. Give me any comment or ideas, suggestion for improvement. Thank you for watching this. I hope you learned something new. Thank you and have a wonderful day.